Chu-mori's life. Chef group, based in Saitama Prefecture, Ramen Aokitei Soka shop. I came to Aokitei Soka shop, that takes about 10 minutes by a car from Soka Station on the Tobu Skytree Line. I ordered Ramen Chu-mori 700 yen. Aokitei is not only good at the skills of chefs, but also good as its ingredients to make the ramen. There are various ingredients to compose the ramen of Aokitei. Let's talk about producers, who put various efforts, adopted trials and errors, and made great ingredients. Ohashiseimensho is a noodle factory to make the original noodle, that is developed with Aokitei. Aokitei aims for pure classic pork bone broth ramen. The ingredients of the soup are composed of pork and pork bone. It doesn't mix the chicken and vegetables, it means that it is the soup almost made of pork. The soup is pure pork bone broth, that tastes rich and simple. They need to develop the noodle that is suitable against the soup. To develop the noodle of Aokitei, in particular, they took care of affinity between the soup and the noodle. When the soup is too assertive, the noodle needs its assertive too. To keep the good harmony of the pure pork bone broth soup, the noodle needs its good harmony. Too assertive noodle or too weak assertive noodle is not right. Though the ingredients of the soup are simple, the simple is the most difficult to develop. Everything is different from others, so that it's the original noodle. For example, mouthfeel of the noodle, thickness, taste, and flavor. They adopted trials and errors to develop it. Trying the original combinations of the wheat, finally, the original noodle of Aokitei was developed. It has the rich taste, good flavor, and well harmonized with the soup by using the middle thickness and frizz noodle. Most ramens are emphasized into the soup, so that its taste is strong to remain the impact of the soup. But the noodle developed with Aokitei becomes tastable noodle, that keeps good affinity with the soup and assertive like the soup. Not only the flavor and the chewy texture, but also, the noodle is simple. Since its establishment, Aokitei has gone the royal road instead of developing the fashionable ramen. Also Ohashiseimensho, an important partner of a noodle factory, is a producer, has gone the royal road to make the Chinese noodle. So, the noodle is achieved the common idea by both Aokitei and Ohashiseimensho. Aokitei keeps making the classic ramen, that is always supported by customers. That was delicious. We wish you a delicious ramen. See you in the next video. Please subscribe if you like.